Okay, I am going to make this video on the basis of my raw real experience, and I am not gonna lie. I am just telling things from my own experience and exactly what I felt and the ground reality of things. You should definitely watch it till the end.
Trust me.
Okay, I'm promising you it's definitely going to help. Hi people, if you have clicked on this video, congratulations, you are going to start, or you might have started a new chapter, a truly genuinely new chapter of your life. Because college does changes a lot about your lifestyle, your personality, your life. It's true. बिना किसी बकवास के let's get into the video, and I am going to list 10 things that you should definitely keep in mind. Okay, so the first point is being clueless. I think that's completely normal to be clueless because I have been studying in that college, in the same college for 3 years now. I have completed my 11th, 12th from the same college, and I'm also doing my graduation from here. So I almost know this college for 3 years now, and till date I discover a lot of new things, and that's completely normal, and that doesn't make me a clueless person. So it's very normal. You get into the campus, you see people doing their shit, you think that everybody knows things and you don't. It's not like that. Everybody is as clueless as you are, so it's completely normal. You are going to know your college better day by day. Till date I discovered things in my college that I never knew existed, so it's completely normal. Second thing, I would say, approach people. Yeah, even if you are introvert, like a very introvert, keep your introvert personality in your house. In college, you must approach people and you must start conversations somehow. You are going to spend a major part of your life with those people, so it's very important for you to know them and them to know you, at least. If you can't be friends, just know people. Yeah, it's okay if they judge. You are going to judge someone else too. You have to let the college know that you are there. Yeah, you are also a part of that college, so make that college feel that. Okay, the third thing is fashion sense. आई नो लाइक ऑलमोस्ट सब लोगों को एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि पहले दिन वो ये पहन के जाएंगे, वो पहन के जाएंगे. द आउटफिट इज़ रेडी months ago in their head, like yeah, they're going to wear this and that in this way on the first day of their college. But no matter how hard you try, no matter how clean and how perfect you go to the college, you are going to enter the campus and you're going to see a lot of different people wearing something different, and you might feel underconfident. So that's completely normal, I would say. And with time you are going to be more confident and casual, so I would suggest wear whatever you want, but just feel confident.
Kidding?
And with time I have seen people being more confident in the most normal attire ever. So that looks cool and that looks nice. You are going to be a better personality with better fashion sense, with better communication skills, with better decision making skills, everything. So don't panic too much. But yeah, मेरे बोलने से क्या होने वाला है, फिर भी वो excitement तो रहता ही है. So I would say just be confident in whatever you are wearing. I don't want you to lose any of your important documents, so I would suggest please prepare a file with neat and clean sections that this is printed, and I would say you have to have prints of every document you have, like every important document you have, and you have to keep your documents digitally in your phone, like in DigiLocker or whatever, because God knows कभी क्या form भरना पड़ जाए, like बहुत form भरवाते पता नहीं क्या क्या. Okay, the next is join societies or any club of your interest. Please, that's very important कि आप किसी club में जुड़े हुए हैं. What it does a lot of things. You meet new people, you develop a good communication skill, you learn how to handle people, you learn how to handle a crowd, and that's very important. You lose stage fear. You're making yourself introduced to a lot of new people. I would suggest please join a society or any club. That's fun. Okay, the next point is don't be too serious about your college life and classes and all that. Do that, but I would say these are the memories you're gonna keep forever. I think you should make memories and you should preserve them, because आप 4 साल बाद उसको देखोगे, you will smile like an idiot, even if it's a very normal photo, even if it's a very normal video. You are going to cry over that after years, maybe. So I would say please document your college life and don't be too serious about that. Do classes, but I would suggest bunk few of them sometimes.
That's okay.
I would say study, of course, prioritize your studies, but I think you should bunk classes too sometimes. That's fun. And the next, one of the most important points is join a group that is active in college. Like they are active with the updates and the notices, so that you don't have to worry about that. Because a person like me, जिसको like deadline से 4 दिन पहले चीज़ें पता चलती हैं, you have to be involved in a group that is active in the college with the notices, with the updates, so that you don't miss any of them. Because actually college don't give a fuck about your documents and your updates and your assignments and projects, anything, any deadlines, attendance, anything. Colleges don't give, and that's true. Take part in events and programs and fests. That's very important. क्योंकि आप स्टेज फियर जो है एक मेजर चीज़ होता है आपके लाइफ में करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को लेने के लिए, ग्रैब करने के लिए. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप इवेंट्स में पार्ट लें, फेस्ट्स में पार्ट लें, वॉलंटियर करें, ताकि आपका स्टेज फियर चला जाए. And you will know how to handle a crowd, and don't be nervous about anything, and you will build a different level of confidence. You won't even realize that you have developed, but with time everything gets better. So I would suggest, please take part in events. Don't just put your head down and study. Be a part of extracurricular activities too. And the next part is trigger warning and harsh truth. In schools what used to happen कि आपको बताया जा रहा था, आपको डेडलाइन से पहले, आपके डेडलाइन से 5 दिन पहले आपको ठोका जा रहा है कि नहीं करो, आपको करना ही है, आप ये लाओ, आप वो लाओ. Okay, you just have to bring things to your school, and the next step is going to happen all on its own. But in colleges it's not like that. You have to be, and you have to do everything all on your own, like document verifications and registrations and bona fide and blah blah, and there are a whole 100 different things that you have to deal with and you have to keep in mind. And nobody cares आपका मिस हो जाए, आप अगले सेमेस्टर में ना जाओ, आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन ना हो, nobody gives a fuck. So I think this is the most important thing you should keep in mind, that you have to be updated with everything. कि वहाँ पे कोई आपको ठोकने वाला नहीं है कि नहीं कराओ, आप कैसे जाओगे, आपका कैसे होगा, लाइफ कैसे कटेगा, कोई नहीं ध्यान देने वाला. I am going to make this video on the basis of my raw real experience, and I am not gonna lie. I am just telling things from my own experience and exactly what I felt and the ground reality of things. The next point is, please don't head to the cyber cafe of college के campus, please. बिकॉज दे जस्ट, आई डोंट नो, वहाँ पे बिना मतलब के इतना भीड़ रहता है, एक तो भीड़ रहता है. सो दिस इज़ वाई आई एम टेलिंग कि आप अपने घर के साइबर कैफ़े से या फिर अपने घर से प्रिंट करा के लाओ, और जो भी चीज़ें हैं उनको प्लीज़ बाहर से ही कराओ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक तो भीड़ लगा रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा, आई डोंट नो. और वहाँ पे आपको फ्रंट बनना होता है. लाइक यू कैन नॉट जस्ट बी इनोसेंट एंड स्टैंड देयर एंड द साइबर कैफ़े वाले भैया इज़ गोना टेल यू मैम दीजिए आपका क्या करना है. नो, पीछे से चंट लड़की आएंगी, पीछे से आएंगी और आगे करा के चली जाएंगी. दैट इरिटेट्स द शिट आउट ऑफ मी, एंड दे चार्ज अ लॉट मोर देन दे शुड. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट, प्लीज़ डोंट अप्रोच साइबर कैफ़े और कॉलेज का कैंपस. या that's very important, because they have irritated the shit out of me and I'm done with them, so I never go to them. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have learned something out of this video. So please subscribe कर दो. Okay, please subscribe करें, like करें और comment करें, please into infinite, please into 10. Okay, bye.